Hi guys, this is the Octoparse. This video is about how to scrape and download images in bulk. As you may notice, in many cases, we need to save a list of images from a website. It can be very tiring and tedious work just by clicking and saving images one by one. In fact, I tried a few image downloaders, but none of them can exclude irrelevant images like icons or thumbnails. In the end, I had to manually pick the images that I wanted from a load of them. That actually can be a ton of work. We deserve a better solution. This is why I want to share this video with you guys. Octoparse can help you get your work done faster. In this video, you will learn how to build an image scraper using Octoparse. It helps you extract across multiple pages, download all the image URLs from any websites at one time. And then we will import these image URLs into a downloader and download them all at once. Many business owners need to download images for product research or listing management, so let's take Aliexpress as an example. Don't forget to download and install Octoparse. You can find the download link in the video description. There are 3 steps to go. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Create a task. Let's launch Octoparse. Enter the URL of the targeted web page. Then click the Start button to proceed. The page now renders in the Octoparse. You can click and highlight any data on the page, or follow the Tips Guide panel to create a command. Here, let's use the Auto Detect feature to see what may come out. Auto Detection is a feature that can help you detect and select valuable data on the page. Once it finishes detecting, the results will show up in the preview box. If the data doesn't look like what you're looking for, switch the detection results by clicking Switch Auto Detect Results until you find a desired outcome. It looks like we have all image URLs detected successfully. Now, we can confirm the results by clicking Create Workflow. The steps are automatically generated accordingly in the workflow. It indicates that Octoparse will follow the path to get the image URLs from the current page. Step 2. Edit the task. Now we have the images from the first page, and we need to tell Octoparse to repeat the same step until we get all images from all pages. Actually, Auto Detection has created the pagination for us. Pagination is a setting to let the scraper click through pages, so whenever it finishes scraping the current page, it will click on the next page and continue the scraping. Because websites sometimes get a little more dynamic and tricky, we need to make sure it clicks on the right pagination button. Let's go back to the workflow and check if it sets up correctly. You can simply do so by clicking each step in the thread and see how the robot will react from the built-in browser. Click Go to the web page, and the next button, Extract Data. We can now see product details are all selected. This is what we are extracting from the web page, including all image URLs. If you find some data irrelevant and you don't want it, click here and enter into more settings to delete them. Anyway, let's check if the pagination is working well. Scroll down the page and find the pagination bar so that we can see if the button is correctly selected. Click the pagination here. This red rectangle shows that the pagination is not selected successfully. Instead of Next, it selects the previous button. In this case, we can modify the selection to help Octoparse navigate. Double-click the pagination loop. This is the X path of the button. We need to amend it to locate the next. Click the little arrow here. Now you are into the Inspect mode, and you can point and click the Next button in the browser to help Octoparse correct the X path. Click the Next button. Confirm. Well, let's click OK to save the settings and see if this works. Great! Now the red rectangle is at the right spot. If the website is too complicated and this trick cannot help, you may need to write the XPath your own and replace it. If you want to know more about XPath, check out the video here. Now, we click the button to execute the command. We can see the robot is turning the page. Now is the last move. Double-click on the first step, go to the web page. An advanced setting will pop up where we can add more tweaks. Go to After Loading Page. Check Scroll down the page after it is loaded. Set a 50 times scroll down. with a half second between two scrolls. This can make sure the page gets completely loaded before the actual scraping takes place. You can adjust the number at your disposal depending on the length of the web page. Click OK to save the setting. Now we just completed setting up a task. Fairly simple, right? The last step is to run the task. Click Run. Run task on your device. Now you just sit back and Octoparse will do the job for you. Mission completed. This is what we get in 5 minutes, over 2,000 lines of data. So let's export it to Excel. And now we got all product image URLs downloaded. You can bulk download them with Chrome extension Tab Save. Click the pencil and paste all the URLs here. Download them all at once. Now you've got a folder with a load of images that you want. If you find this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about data scraping. We help our clients get web data easily. If you have problems getting your web scraping project done, feel free to contact us at support@octoparse.com. Thanks, and see you next time.